Meaning of exam.
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 Exam. An exam is a formal assessment of a person's knowledge, skills, or abilities in a particular subject or field. The purpose of an exam is usually to measure the individual's understanding and proficiency in that area, and to provide objective feedback on their performance. Exams can take various forms, such as written tests, oral exams, practical assessments, or a combination of these. The result of an exam generally determines the individual's level of achievement or competency in the subject, and may be used for academic, professional, or personal purposes.